think I'm gonna start calling this truck Dump Run, because that's what I use it for. Going to the dump. Driver's side door does not unlock, but I bet you she starts up immediately. Let's give her one big of gas. Let me show you. This transmission has seen better days. So it's obviously idling high right now. We'll pop it in gear. I'll show you what I mean. We're not going to touch the gas. Hey, it moves. Normally it just sits there until you give it gas. Is it self-healing? The old side exit. Nope, that's a heavy one.